If you're seeing the framer error, form not configured, don't worry. This is usually a simple settings issue, and in this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix it step by step. We're going to open the project, check the form settings, make sure the form has the right name and destination, confirm each field is properly labeled, and then publish and test it again. If this tutorial helps, please take a second to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick framer fixes and web design tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your project in Framer and locate the form that is showing the error. Click directly on the form element so you can access its settings. This is important because the error usually appears when Framer can't detect a properly configured form or when the form is missing key details that it needs in order to send submissions correctly. Once the form is selected, look over to the right-hand panel and find Form Settings. This is where you'll configure the form so Framer knows exactly how it should behave. In many cases, the form not configured message appears because one of these settings is blank, incorrect, or incomplete. Now set the form name. For example, you can call it Contact Form. The name helps identify the form inside your project and makes it easier to manage if you have more than one form on the page. Keep it simple and clear so you know exactly what it is later. Next, set the email or destination field, which is where the form responses should go. Make sure this is pointing to the correct place, whether that's your email inbox or another connected destination in Framer. If this part is not configured properly, the form can't send anything and the error may continue to show. After that, scroll through each field in the form and make sure every input has a proper name. For example, your name field should be named a name, your email field should be named email, and your message field should be named message. This step is extremely important because Framer needs these field names to understand what data is being submitted. If any field is missing a name, the form may fail or trigger the configuration error. Take a moment to double check the entire form. Make sure the labels make sense, the fields are connected correctly, and there are no empty settings left behind. Even one small missing detail can cause Framer to think the form is not configured. Once everything is filled out, click Publish. Publishing is important because form changes may not fully apply until the project is live. After publishing, go back and test the form again by entering sample information and submitting it. If everything is set correctly, the form should now work without the error message. If the error still appears, go back through the same steps and carefully recheck the form settings, the destination in the email, and every field name. In most cases, the issue is resolved by making sure the form is fully configured and published properly. And that's it. You fixed the Framer error, form not configured. Now, your form should be ready to collect submissions the way it should. If this video helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Framer troubleshooting guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.